welcome back to TeamKLoWhat. Listen, one of the greatest thing is that we have an amazing community, and the community has spoken.
They have told us what they wanted to see, and they want to see us trying new food products.
And that food product happens to be an amazing video we did not too long ago, which was the Kodiak Cakes. If you want to check out that video, where is it? Is it on this
right
side?
Here.
Oh, knows what side they are. It's on that side. Check out that video.
This box is a little beaten up. It is not our fault.
No. It's very interesting because you said that. I thought when it arrived that it was like all dirty. It is not. Remember, Kodiak Cakes is supposed to be like woodsy and all that stuff.
I thought it was dirty too.
It looks dirty. It's not dirty. This is actually how the box looks, because it's supposed to be like the top of the trees and things like that.
I grabbed the box and I was like, oh
yeah,
man,
it was dirty.
All right, let's see what we got. This is not a sponsored video by Kodiak, so Kodiak, if you want to sponsor us, let us know. We're ready to work with you.
All of you who are coming back, thank you. If you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing right there and hit the notification bell button so you don't miss any of these videos.
Oh! Wow. They were beaten and battered.
Kodiak Cakes, what happened?
This is all,
this is all beaten up. Oh my goodness. It's like it's really beaten up.
So let's start with what are some of the products that we're gonna be showing you guys.
I have here some honey oats granola. We have granola bars.
This is also some granola bars, so this is gonna be the peanut butter ones. So we'll put that to the side here. We also have some bear bites. I don't know what these are. It seems it's some sort of crackers.
What flavor is those?
This honey.
And we also have chocolates.
Oh, chocolate bear bite. Interesting.
Read this one.
So we also have some protein balls. I'm not lying, that's what it says right there. It says
protein balls. We're gonna try protein balls.
If you like balls, we have protein balls for you.
So one of my favorite things to eat in the morning, something healthy, something nutritious, and that is oatmeal. So we got a couple of different boxes of oatmeal to try out. I have maple, brown, and sugar here.
And I have peaches and cream. This is interesting. Peaches and cream flavor?
We have different flavors for people to try different things.
Finally, we have an assorted variety of flapjacks. So what is a flapjack? A flapjack is...
I don't know. But these are different tin muffins, and basically I think that it requires us to put water inside, then we cook them. But this is like muffin
in a can.
And once again, this is not a sponsor video, so you're going to get our impression of these products. So Kodiak Cakes, you want to send them some more product, send them to us so we can let you know what we think. These are good because they include protein. I mean, 12 grams of protein is a lot of stuff.
Yeah, Kodiak Cake is famous for that because they're good for people who are exercising and they want to stay healthy and, get that lean muscle. So that's why we wanted to try these guys for you. Hopefully you guys find this video amazing.
Yes, and leave a comment below. Let us know what you think.
So get ready for those upcoming videos soon. And
don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment.
Make sure you hit the notification bell so you can know every time we drop a new video.
Especially these, because you're gonna love these. I can't wait to try these.
We'll see you on the next one.
TeamKLoWhat.
Alright guys, thank you for watching this video. Make sure you stay tuned to the next one. We'll see you. I messed up.
Yes.
Alright guys, thank you for watching this video. Make sure you click on I messed up again.
Okay, 2. I don't have anything to do today.
Alright. Yeah, let's go. 1, 2, 3.